Okay children, our activity today is on page number 15 and 16 of the maths workbook. Okay, now the topic we will be covering is tens and ones. Now let me explain to you what is tens and ones. Now if you look at this first box, it has been divided into 4 boxes further, right? There are 4 boxes here. In the first box on top, it is written T. T stands for tens. The second box, it's written O. O stands for ones. Tens, ones. Now, when we write any number between 0 to 9, okay, we always write it in the right hand side box on this side. Why? Because when we start writing 10, here we will put 1 and in the ones column we'll put 0. Now, I'll explain this further. You can see here we have a number rod. Now, how many balls are there on this number rod? Let us count. 1, 2. 2 balls. Okay, so here we will write number 2 over here. This is what you had done in your worksheet over here as well. Correct? Here, second box. How many balls are there on the number rod? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balls. So where we will write 7? In the ones column. This is a column. So in the ones column, we will write 7. In the third box, how many balls are there on the number rod? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 balls. So where we will write 9? In the ones column. Okay? Okay, now what we have to remember is that the number rod on the one side, okay, on the right hand side, can have maximum of 9 beads. More than that, we will have to use a second number rod. Okay, what we need to remember now is that the number rod on the one side, on the right hand side, always has maximum of 9 beads. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उसमें 9 beads हो सकते हैं. If you put the 10th bead over there, that number rod will move to the left hand side. Okay. Now to explain this concept better, I have made a small worksheet for you here. Now see, here we have 2 number rods. This is the tens and this is the ones. Now, in the ones side, on this number rod, how many beads can you see? How many beads are there here? 0. Correct? So, what I will write in the ones column? 0. And how many beads on this side? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, there are 10 beads over here. So, this is one set. If 10 beads on a number rod, it is one set. So, we will write 1. Okay, so for this full section, what we will write is 1. Now, let's count over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 beads. Okay. This whole section is called one set. 1 tens. So, we'll write 1 tens. And how many beads on the one side? In this column? Ones column, how many beads are there? 1 bead. So, total how many beads are there? 11. This is 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. So, how many beads are there on this number line? Can you count on this number rod? This is 10. This whole set is 10. So, that is one set of 10. So, we'll write one set of 10. Plus how many more beads? 1, 2, 3 beads. So total how many beads? 13 beads. Should we count? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, that's right. There are 13 beads. Okay. Now say if I do not want to make 10 beads every time. Now I know this full number odd means 10. इसका मतलब है 10 beads है. हर बार मुझे 10 beads नहीं बनाने हैं. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ? Here I have 10 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Instead of drawing 10 red beads or 10 yellow beads, I will just make one green color bead. So this one green bead means 10. So this is also 10 and this also means 10. Okay? So coming back to our worksheet. Yes, see, they have 10 yellow beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 yellow beads, it is equal to 1 green bead. So there are 2 number rods over here. How many green beads do you see? 1 green bead. So they write the number 1. Okay. How many beads on this side? 0. So they have written the number 0. Again, these 10 yellow beads are equal to 1 green bead. How many green beads they have put over here? 1 green bead and 1 yellow bead. So this 1 green bead is how much? It is 10. 10, 11. So the number is 11. Here. This green bead means what? क्या मतलब है green bead का? एक green bead 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the number is 60. So this is how we have to write the numbers in the tens column. So if you see T and O. Okay, so if you have numbers more than 9, greater than 9, 9 से बड़ा कोई number है, this is how you are going to write the numbers in the tens and ones column. Okay, so now moving on to the next worksheet. This is on page number 16 of your maths book. Now we will practice writing the numbers 11 to 20. So here now there are no beads, correct? But we will remember how we have to write. Any number greater than 9, okay, that digit where we will put it in the tens column. 1, and in the ones column we'll write 1. 1, 1, 11. What does 11 means? It means one set of 10 and one bead of 1. 11. 1 and 1, 11. 1 and 2, 12. Now when you are writing, when you have two boxes like this, two columns like this, tens and ones, you should always remember one digit will go in the tens column, one digit will go in the ones column. If you write 11 like this, or you write 11 like this, it is not correct. Okay? How you will write it? You have to write 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. Okay? 1, 3, 13. In the same way, you have to fill in the rest of the boxes. So you will write the numbers 11 to 20 on this side, and the same thing you will practice writing in the remaining 3 boxes. Okay? So this is your activity for today. After that, we'll move to the next activity, that is writing the missing numbers. Now see, here we have some kites. Okay? There are 10 kites over here. And some kites have numbers, some kites don't have numbers. So, wherever the numbers are missing, we will fill in those numbers. Now, how to fill in those numbers? Here, on the second kite, first kite is blank. कुछ नहीं लिखा है. Second kite they have written 12. So what comes before 12? 12 से पहले क्या आएगा? 11. Very good. 11, 12. After 12? 13, 14, 15. In the same way, you will complete the rest of the boxes. Okay. So this is your activity on page number 16 of your maths book. So children, now we'll move to the next worksheet, worksheet number 17 of your maths book. Okay. The topic that we'll be doing here is number value association. It sounds like a very big title, right? Number value association. What is this? Actually, it is something very simple, very easy. Now, first look at only these numbers. If I write this number here, what does this mean? If I write this, what does it mean to you? What is this? This is 7. What is this number? 9. If I write this digit or this numeral, what is it called? 2. So 7, 9, 2. These are the numerals. These are the numbers, right? If I write a particular number, say I write the number, I write this. This is, this is 1, this is 2, this means 3, correct? Now, what is the value of this 1, 2 and 3? How much is 1, 2 and 3? That is number value. So say, here there are some trees. There are some pictures on this page, in this column. The first picture is of some trees. How many trees are there? 1, 2. Now what did I tell you in the last class? When there are too many things to calculate, there are too many things to count, an easy way is to make sure that you have counted everything is you cut what you have counted. 1, 2. How many trees are there? 2. Where do you see the number 2? Here, right? So you will match the number 2, the digit 2 or the numeral 2 to the 2 trees. This means number value. This is the number 2 and this is the amount. कितने trees है? 2 trees है. This is the amount of trees. 2 trees. Correct? Now, let's count the number of caps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many caps are there? 7 caps. Now, where do you see the number 7? I see it here. Right? So, what do? Yes, we match it. See? You already understood the concept. It's so simple, right? So, this is what we call number value association. You have to count the number of objects and you have to find the number. Like how many carrots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carrots. Where is the number 5? This is the value of this number 5. So you simply match it. It's that easy, right? So, in the same way, I want you to complete the rest of the worksheet. That's all for today. Thank you.